Good morning, WestCon. This is student meteorologist Paul Taschereau with the WestCon Weather Team Forecast Update. It is cold outside and cloudy. It is also going to be windy today, but the biggest news is our first winter weather event of the season. That happens late tomorrow afternoon into Friday. We'll talk more about this in just a second. Good news is this weekend is looking dry. There could be a flurry or a sprinkle around, but we are watching the potential for another storm come Monday. On the surface map, we have high pressure across the central part of the country. Very cold air mass in place as well. And just off the southeast coast, we have low pressure. That is going to be moving northeastward into this very cold air mass, which is why we will start off with snow late tomorrow afternoon. Satellite, extensive cloud cover across much of the eastern seaboard associated with that low pressure system, and radar, there's that moisture associated with that. And look at just to our west. Here's Connecticut. We have some lake effect snow bands moving into south central New York. We've even seen a few of these work into Connecticut, so don't be surprised if you see a few flakes falling throughout the day today. But let's talk about tomorrow and Friday. We're going to see two waves of precipitation. One, late tomorrow afternoon into the early overnight. Low pressure moving into colder air mass. We will start off with snow, but late tomorrow evening we will change over to some sleet and freezing rain before ending as all rain. Then we do get a break overnight Thursday, but Friday morning, as the low pressure moves farther northward, we'll see precipitation wrap around this low pressure system and even some colder air. So maybe the northwestern part of the state could see some snow and sleet and some minor additional accumulations as well. Let's time everything out for you. Snow begins tomorrow afternoon, 2 to 5 p.m., perhaps falling moderate to heavy at times, especially during the early evening. We do see changeover happen between 9 p.m. and midnight. That's again some sleet, freezing rain, and rain. We do get a break between, say, about 1 a.m. and 4 a.m. Then we'll see additional rain and some snow move into the state. We're looking at some slow commute tomorrow for the rush hour commute, and again, Friday morning as well. Maybe some localized pockets of flash flooding and some minor coastal flooding as well. What am I thinking in terms of snowfall? 2 to 4 inches across much of the state, maybe some minor ice accretion as well across the Connecticut River Valley, less across southeastern Connecticut, maybe as much as 3 to 5 in the northwest hills. And Friday morning, rain for most of the state, but again with some colder air working in, maybe parts of extreme western Connecticut pick up 1 to 3 inches additional. Forecast for today, mostly cloudy, cold and windy, highs in the mid-30s with those winds gusting into the 30s as well. It'll feel more like the mid-20s. And the forecast for tonight, cold and cloudy, lows only down into the teens. And for tomorrow, this high of 36 is very late tomorrow evening. Will be around freezing much of the day, so we'll see snow arriving between 2 and 5 p.m. And the 5-day forecast, here's that mess into Friday morning. Temperatures do begin to rise overnight tomorrow. We'll see highs get into the mid-40s. Friday afternoon, peaks of sun late. Dry weekend, maybe a flurry or a sprinkle around. And on Monday, we are watching another storm, which could give us some rain or snow. As always, you can follow us on social media for all the latest. I'm student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. Have a great day.